Hello, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will teach simple tricks how to multiply decimal number. This video especially for the lower grades. Okay. How to multiply 0.08 multiply with 0.09. Okay. So first you do 0.09. Okay, so now no need to do like this because this one is a very complicated way. Okay, 8 times 9 equals to 72, right? Okay, so now you check here. After the decimal number, we have how many digits here? We have 4 digits, right? Okay, so now 9 times 8 is 72, so 72, right? Okay, because we have 4 digits here, we move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 0, 0, 0. So our answer now is 0.0072. Okay, easy? Alright, next question. Okay, if I give you 0.23 multiply with 0.04, okay, you put like this first, 0.23 multiply 0.04. Okay, so after the decimal number here, we have 4 digits, correct? 4 digits. Okay, so you put here 23, you multiply with 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1, 9, correct? Now, how many digits here? 4 digits. We move 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 0, 0. Your answer will be 0.0092. Okay, right, proceed. Next one. Okay, if I give you 0.015 multiply 0.4. Okay, so how many digits after the decimal? This side we have 3, this side we have 1, so total will be 4, correct? So now 15 you multiply with 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 4, 4 plus 2, 6, correct? How many digits after the decimal? 1, 2, okay, see, 3 plus 1, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer will be 0.0060. Okay? Alright, next. Okay. 0.93 you multiply with 0.02. Okay. How many digits after the decimal? We have 4 digits here, correct? 4 numbers. Okay, so 93 you multiply with number 2. So 3 times 2, 6, 9 times 2, 18, correct? How many digits we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer will be 0.0186. Easy, right? So you can settle all these questions very fast. Okay. So 0.852 multiply with 0.005. Okay. How many digits after the decimal? Okay, we check. 6, right? We have 6 digits. So now 8, 5, 2. You multiply with number 5. So 2, 5, 10. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. We have 6 digits here, right? Okay. We have 6, so we move 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 0, 0. So your answer will be 0.004260. Alright? Okay, this is simple tricks, okay? Okay, now, one more. 0.743. You multiply with 0.008. Okay, so now, how many digits here? We have 6 digits. Okay, so 743. You multiply with 8. Okay, so 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32 plus 2, 34. 7 times 8, 56 plus 3, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay, so how many times you have to move? Okay, check. How many times? Okay. Okay. How many? Right. 6 digit we move, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will be 0.005944. Easy? Okay? Alright. Next question. If I give you 1.723 multiply with 0.5. So 1723 you multiply with 5. 5 times 3, 15. 2 times 5, 10, 11. 7 times 5, 25, 26. 1 times 5, 5 plus 2, 7, correct? Sorry, 35 here. So we have 8 here. Okay? So now, after decimal, how many number we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer will be 0.8615. Sorry, here will be 5. Okay? Okay? Now, let's say I give you 11.35 multiply with 0.02. So 1135 you multiply with number 2. 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 2, 2. Okay. After the decimal, we have how many numbers here? 2. Here also 2. That means 4. You have to move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So your answer will be 0.2270. Alright? Okay. I give you 3 more questions. Okay. Let's say 23.25. Okay. You multiply with 0.5. Okay, now 2, 3, 2, 5, you multiply with 5 only. Okay, you don't take the 0, only 5. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 5, 10, plus 2, 12. 5 times 3, 15, plus 1, 16. 2 times 5, 10, 11. Correct? Now, we check. After the decimal, we have 1 here and 2 here. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 times you move. 1, 2, 3. Your answer will be 11.625. Okay? Alright. If I give you 123.5 multiply with 0.05. Okay? So I circle after the decimal. We have 2 here, 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 5 multiply with 5. So 5 times 5, 20. 5. 5 times 3, 15, plus 2, 17. 2, 5, 10, 11. 1 times 5 plus 1, 6. Correct? Okay. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3, 15. 16, 17. 2 times 5, 10. 11. So 1 times 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay? Alright, now how many numbers here after the decimal? We have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 6.175. Okay? Alright. So that's all for today. I hope you can calculate easily with these simple tricks for the decimals number. Alright, I will upload an easy method for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Bye.